Inextricable. Unable to be separated or released.
Question of crossing over physically versus mentally, are they inextricably linked?
Propel. To push or move something somewhere.
People, I've had an epiphany. The hero cannot exist in a vacuum. What our story needs is an ironic, unexpected event that will propel the hero into conflict.
Projectile. An object that is thrown or shot forwards with force.
Oh, perfect sandwich.
Sir, a dangerous projectile has entered Earth's atmosphere.
Hey, Jarvis, perfect.
Repel. To keep something or someone away from you.
Mr. Nichols, secure the cargo.
Right, you are, sir.
Prepare to repel all boarders!
Incendiary. Designed to cause fires.
I know! I make use of my rod of fireballs!
Everyone knows red dragons are immune to fireballs, as well as all other forms of incendiary attack.
Yes!
Permanent. Lasting for a long time or forever.
It looks as though I've been accepted into your culture. Your chief, Andy, inscribed his name on me.
Wow! With permanent ink, too!
Well,
Sustain. To cause or allow something to continue for a period of time.
I've been locked in this room for days with only whiskey to sustain my mortal soul.
Excavate. To make a hole in the ground by digging up soil.
Excavating for arrowheads. Dude, it's Saturday. What kind?
Dwell. To live in a particular place.
Sheriff, I can see your dwelling from here. You're almost home.
Nirvana is coming.
Intervention. The action of becoming involved in a difficult situation.
Melman, come on!
You know, maybe one of us should wait here in case he comes back.
Oh, no, not now. This is an intervention, Melman. We all gotta go.
What's the fastest way to...
Consumption. The act of using, eating, or drinking something.
Ahoy, fair masticators. Behold your fondue. But please wait 30 minutes before eating, for it is far too hot for human consumption. Hotter than the
Longevity. Living for a long time.
I should have known you'd cheat death again, Raish.
I don't cheat death, I master it. Though I assure you this time my longevity comes at a price most dear. Talia.
Prolong. To make something last a longer time.
Since he got sick, old man Yoshida spent billions on doctors, healers, stockpiling adamantium at his lab in the north, secretly trying to prolong his life. He brought the...
Mimic. To copy the way someone speaks or behaves.
Buzz Lightyear.
So, who's the real Buzz?
I am! Don't let this imposter fool you! He's been trained by Zurg himself to mimic my every move.
Interfere. To deliberately get involved in a situation.
I had the magic beans in my grasp, and you sent this very attractive devil woman to interfere. You are a curse on my life.
Whoa, wait. Hear me.
Replicate. To make or do something again in exactly the same way.
Agent P, as you know, every operative is equipped with an auto-scan replication device, just like the one in your hat. We've been using the information you've gathered to replicate each and every one of Dr. Doofenshmirtz's innators. Our top man...
Abundance. A large quantity of something.
Oh, wow! It's a grocery store. Looks like the Whole Foods around the corner from my place.
Yep, guess no one's hungry here after all.
We have an abundance of food here.
And speak of the devil...
Constrain. To control and limit something.
Friendliness is something that human beings are born with. AI are only born with objectives. I need to constrain it, control it. Or one day it will control us.
Hypothesis. An idea or explanation for something that is based on known facts.
Are you sure about this, Neutron? Well, the data seems to support this hypothesis.
Never argue with the data.
Oh.
Scarce. Not easy to find or get.
Perfect. But your father and I didn't have any money for a real clown.
Clowns were scarce in those days. The good ones could name their own price. Not like now.